Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we are making these delicious air fryer zucchini fries. You guys are low carb and they're keto friendly, so if you're on the keto diet, this is the way to go. And they look so good. Maybe not so much the ranch, but I mean, check those out. We're going to be making these in the air fryer using the Ninja Foodi grill. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video today, hit the description box below. I have links to all of the items in the description box, and if you see something that's missing, let me know in the comments and I will make sure I add the link. But we'll go ahead and dive right in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming to you guys every single week using the Ninja Foodi Grill on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. You guys, 2020 is a year. We're going to have recipes every single week using the Ninja Foodi Grill. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, but let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so all we're going to need today are 2 medium zucchinis. We're also going to need 1 large egg beaten. We're going to need 1/2 cup of almond flour, and I'm using the Full Circle Market almond flour. This was found at Stater Brothers. And if you don't have access to almond flour, you can also use panko breadcrumbs. So that is optional, but I wanted to go ahead and use almond flour. Then we're going to do 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese that's grated. You can see it's grated there. And also, you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is optional. You don't have to, but it just adds a little bit extra flavor. And then you're also going to need a pinch of salt and pepper. So I have that at the ends. And you're going to need an oil for spraying the zucchini. And I am using grapeseed oil right here. But I'm using an oil sprayer, and I'll have the link in the description for that below. But you can put any oil in this bottle, and it will spray the oil onto your food. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What we need to do first is make our fries. And we're doing that by... I'm going to make some room here. We need to cut the ends off first. And we're going to make our fries out of this, so we want to cut this in half. Careful. Try to go as evenly as possible. As you can see, not so even, but it's okay. We're going to make fries out of that. Okay. Cut this one in half. You can cut the little butts off too. Okay. Alright. After we have them in half, this is where we will cut them into little fries. Now you can have long fries. I'm going to cut them in half again. I'm so sorry that it's making that noise. Let me get a cutting board. Not as loud, hopefully. Okay. A little bit better. Okay. So, alright. Let's see. I want to make sure it's in frame. This is where cut your little fry slices off. Careful with your fingers. And this is what you're going to want to have for your fries. So, let's cut them all, and then we can start setting it up to be air fried. Okay, so to get our seasoning ready, we're going to add our almond flour, a pinch of pepper, I'll do 2 pinches, a pinch of salt, put that on the side. We're going to add our garlic powder and our Parmesan cheese. Let's mix that up. Make sure you break up the almond flour. Okay, so now we have our bread mix and we have our egg. So, just trying to see how we can do it best. Here we have our zucchini fries. And see, they're not all perfect, but just try and get them as uniform as possible. We're going to need our air fryer oil, or just our oil. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take one of these zucchinis, we're going to dredge it into the egg. Just dredge it. And then in the almond flour mixture. Just make sure it gets coated nice and evenly. Shake off any excess. Place it on your plate, because then we got to stick it in the air fryer. We will do this for every single one of them, so I'll show you another one. Just kind of twist it in there in the egg mixture. And then add the breadcrumb mixture on the plate. And we're going to do this for all of them, and then we will need to spray them, but I will show you that next. Let me go ahead and finish these, and then we can spray them with oil. Alright, so I have finished. It's going to be 2 batches, because in the air fryer basket we're going to have to do 2 batches just so that they're cooking evenly and they're not too close or crowded. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 sticks, 15 fries. So what we're going to do is we need to take our oil spray and generously, very generously, spray the oil. Okay. So you want to place them in a single layer on here, but let's go ahead and actually turn on the air fryer and start preheating. We're gonna do 400 degrees. I think we can, yeah, 400 degrees, and about 10 minutes. We'll set it at 11 just in case we need to adjust it, but 10 minutes should be fine. We are going to start preheating, and again, generously apply the oil. And once we flip it, then we can, well, we better just get both sides. Let's go ahead and generously spray on both sides as well. I want to make sure we get them nice and crispy. Split them all. Oh, I already had flipped that one. Okay. And generously spray. Alright. Perfect. Let's let the Ninja Foodi Grill finish preheating, and then we can set them up in the Foodi Grill. Remember, we're going to need the air fryer basket, and we'll be back. Okay, it's ready to go. Remember, single layer. So I'm just going to place them right next to each other, but not overlapping. I'm kind of doing these perpendicular to the other ones down here. But looks good. They're not touching each other. Okay. We're going to let them cook for about 10 minutes or until they're crispy, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes in. Check that out. Oh yeah. It's gonna bring them all out. Okay, I'm going to bring them all out, and then we can take a closer look. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check this out. Woo! They look so good. So this is how you would make zucchini fries, low carb. They're keto friendly, so you can, if you're on the keto diet or you're looking at a low carb diet, this is the perfect kind of snack to have. I added ranch. I know I'm a little weird, but ranch is so good with these, you guys. So let me know what you guys have yours with in the comments below. But check these out. This is how you would make them in the air fryer, in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming to you guys every single week. And let me know in the comments what you guys like to have with your zucchini fries. But until next time, you guys have a great night. I'm going to start enjoying these. Oh my gosh, you guys. So good. Alright, see you guys next time.